Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which allows you to encrypt or lock your PDF documents with a custom password. So there will be many occasions whenever you want to share PDF files with your friends and then lock those PDF files with a password. So in those scenarios this application will be really useful. So this is actually the script here. We already we are taking a simple example here, sample.pdf file which is present right in the same directory. I will be locking this PDF file with a custom password. So as you can see, we are putting the password here, secure123. So if I execute this Python script, it will create another PDF file which will be encrypted. So as soon as I execute this Python script, you will see encrypted PDF file has been successfully saved. And if I try to open this, it will ask me for the password. So here it is saying to us that enter the password to open the PDF file. So if I enter incorrect password, you will see invalid password. So I just need to now enter the correct password and enter. Now the PDF file opens. So the package that we are using is PikePDF. It's a very popular package. You just need to install this. So just search for this package, PikePDF. This is actually the package here, and simply install this by executing this command. I've already installed it. So after installing it, all the source code is given in the description of the video. So now let me show you how to use this library. So first of all, you need to import this package by using the import line, import PikePDF. After that, we simply define a simple function which will encrypt the PDF file. So here we will simply pass the PDF file which is present in the same directory, and then the output file name which will be encrypted PDF, and then we just need to provide the password here. Let me say 123456. So now I just define this function which is encrypt PDF file, and it actually takes these three arguments. First of all, your input PDF path, then we have the output PDF path, and then we have the password. So inside this function, we actually write the code inside the try catch block, and right inside this, we initialize the library PikePDF, and it contains this function of open. First of all, we open this input PDF file. After opening it, we save this by using the save function at that specified file, and then here it takes an argument here which is encryption. So here you provide your encryption, your password encryption, and here we specify the password that we are specifying. So password, and then the user is equal to password, and then the third argument is the r value, r is equal to 4. That's all. So after that, we close the PDF connection, and then we simply print out that your encrypted file has been saved successfully. That's all. And after that, if any sort of error take place, then we can simply print out that error message. So this is a very simple application. We simply require the package, then we declare this passing this input file name, then we create this output file name, then we provide the password, and right inside this function we use this open function first of all to open the PDF file, then we call the save function to save the PDF file with those passed encryption, the password that you pass. So if I try to execute this now, you will see on the left hand side the encryption will be complete and it will create this encrypted file. If I try to open this file, you will see it will ask for the password. So you just need to provide the correct password and then the PDF file will open. So in this easy way, you can use this Python package to lock your PDF file with a custom password, and then you can share it with your friends. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.